watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you're looking to create a cozy, inviting space that perfectly captures the rustic charm of a farmhouse specifically for the fall season, you're in the right place. We'll explore some simple yet beautiful ideas that you can use to transform your living room this fall. Plaid throws and pillows. Start with plaid throws and pillows in rich fall colors like burgundy, mustard, and forest green. These textiles add warmth and a cozy, rustic feel to your living room, perfectly complementing a farmhouse style. Arrange them on your sofas and chairs to create a comfortable and inviting space. Reclaimed wood accents. Incorporate reclaimed wood accents such as picture frames, shelves, or a coffee table. These pieces bring a sense of history and texture to your living room. The natural imperfections and weathered look of reclaimed wood are key elements of farmhouse decor, adding a touch of authenticity. Vintage farmhouse signs. Add vintage farmhouse signs with warm, welcoming messages. Signs with phrases like gather, welcome, or home sweet home in rustic frames or on distressed wood boards can create a cozy atmosphere and highlight the farmhouse theme throughout your living room. Wicker baskets and storage. Use wicker baskets for storage or as decorative elements. Wicker adds a natural, earthy texture that pairs well with fall decor. They are perfect for storing extra blankets, firewood, or magazines, keeping your space tidy while enhancing the farmhouse aesthetic. Lanterns with candles. Place lanterns with LED candles around the room for a soft, warm glow. Choose lanterns in weathered finishes like black or bronze to enhance the rustic charm. This lighting not only adds to the cozy fall atmosphere, but also offers a safer alternative to real candles. Buffalo check patterns. Incorporate buffalo check patterns in your living room decor. This classic farmhouse pattern is perfect for fall and can be used on throw pillows, curtains, or even rugs. The bold checks in neutral or fall colors add visual interest and a cozy, country feel to your space. Rustic wooden crates. Use rustic wooden crates as side tables or for storing books and magazines. You can stack them or place them under coffee tables for added storage. These crates add a practical and stylish element to your living room, keeping with the farmhouse theme. Autumn leaf garlands. Drape autumn leaf garlands over mantles, windows, or bookshelves. These garlands bring in the vibrant colors of fall and add a natural, festive touch to your living room. Choose garlands with a mix of red, orange, and yellow leaves for a more dynamic look. Mason jar decor. Repurpose mason jars as vases or candle holders. Fill them with dried flowers, small pine cones, or even fairy lights to add a rustic touch to your living room. Mason jars are versatile and affordable, making them a farmhouse staple. Galvanized metal accents. Incorporate galvanized metal accents like buckets, trays, or vases. These metal pieces provide a subtle industrial edge that contrasts beautifully with the softness of fall decor. Use them to hold floral arrangements or as unique storage options. Cozy quilts and blankets. Drape cozy quilts or chunky knit blankets over your sofas and chairs. Quilts in warm colors or with simple patterns can add a personal, homemade feel to your living room. Perfect for snuggling up on a cool fall evening. Fall-themed wall art. Switch out your wall art for fall-themed pieces like prints of pumpkins, fall foliage, or farm scenes. These seasonal art pieces can enhance the farmhouse theme and help bring the colors and spirit of fall into your home. Neutral-toned area rugs. Layer neutral-toned area rugs to add warmth and texture to your living room floor. Rugs with simple, natural designs or distressed finishes can complement the farmhouse style while making your space feel cozy and inviting. Burlap banners and decor. Hang burlap banners with fall-themed messages or use burlap as a table runner. The rough texture and neutral color of burlap fit perfectly with the farmhouse aesthetic, adding a rustic, homemade touch to your decor. Vintage clocks and timepieces. Add a vintage clock or an antique timepiece to your living room wall. These items serve as both functional decor and a nod to the timeless nature of farmhouse style. Choose clocks with worn finishes or Roman numerals to complete the look. I hope these farmhouse-style fall decor ideas inspire you to create a cozy and inviting living room this season. Remember, you don't have to make big changes to achieve that warm farmhouse feel. Sometimes it's the small touches that make all the difference. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home decor ideas. See you next time.